Alright, go on. Cylinder, baby.
There's a little ball bearing.
Can't see.
That, in that hole, there's a little ball bearing, and it goes up and down. When that comes in, that pushes up, or when that comes in, that pushes the ball bearing up, stops air coming out. And then when they're all other way round, and I think when I've done this repair, I've put that in like that. And it's gone in too far. I'll put it down to there, but that's probably too far. And it's stopped that ball bearing moving from one side to the other. Or that repair, probably too long. But it was a good idea at the time. Push control problem, it was that. So, providing it all kicks down and does everything it's supposed to do, we're all good. It's a bit juicy. Blimey. It works then.